Hi, Eric Gibaud, Gibaud.com, and today I'm going to speak about a small bag. Many people ask me about small bags for small things. So I'm going to show you this sling bag by k&f Concept that is small, practical. So let's start. When I speak about small things, it can be accessories like flash or lighting gear or whatever, or it can also be a camera itself or something you use for making videos or photography. I'm going to show you two examples. Thank you, by the way, to Ingrid, who made some shot of when I was walking, so you can see how it looks, all this. So thank you to her. Well, recently I bought the DJI Neo, and it comes without any box. So I went to AliExpress and I got this. It's a small case, especially made for that drone. Okay, so that's really nice, well kept. Everything is nice, but when you go around with your camera and your drone, you have to walk around with this in your hand because there's no way to hang it. So I thought that's not too practical. And this is where this comes in, okay? Nice bag. Here you have a pocket here. You can put some things there. You have side pocket there. You can put like your glasses, your sunglasses, bottle of water, or a mini tripod. You also have a pocket in the back. But look, if I open here, my DJI Neo fits perfectly. Here I've got the remote control. Here I've got the drone itself. Here I've got the batteries, and I can also place my two boxes of filter for this drone, and that works perfectly. And this is a lot more practical to have this on my back when I walk than to have a small suitcase hanging in my hand. Then I have to leave it on the floor if I make picture with my camera. So yeah, honestly, this is a lot better. Now I'm going to show you an example with a camera to give you an idea, but and give you some more details about it. But for me, when going around with my drone, this is the perfect bag. When at home, I keep everything in this because I may use the bag for something else, but when I go around, this is the perfect bag, no doubt. By the way, if you want to help me, I can help you too. I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. I don't speak about gear, no reviews, just tuition techniques, photography techniques, so I can help you better your knowledge. There's a join button just below, so you have access to this exclusive video for members only. I'll also leave you affiliate links in the description. Thank you for using them. Don't forget that if you buy from Luminar Neo, you get a 10% discount with the code ERIC10, 10% on top of any offer they have at that moment. So this is extra saving for you. Thank you so much, that really helps me. Let's carry on. I've got several small cameras. I've got the Fujifilm X-S20, for example, the X-E1, the Fujifilm X-S100 Mark VI. Also have some film cameras. So I'm going to show you with an example here. I've got my Fujifilm X100 Mark VI. Here it is, okay, so it fits in there. I also like to carry a flash with it. I know there's an integrated flash, but I love this Godox flash that is really beautiful, the senior flash. Actually, I reviewed it on my channel, so that's beautiful and it fits in there. And normally when I go with my Fujifilm X100 Mark VI, I also carry some filters. Here I've got a polarizer filter, I've got some mist filter, also some ND filters, and sometimes I put a mini tripod on the side, and actually the charger would fit in there also. So that's really perfect. I could also have placed my X-S20 with an extra lens. I could have fit in there my any film camera with some films. So really, that's this small bag is nice. One thing I like, it's padded. It's really well protected. The linen here is waterproof. And I love that because sometimes we find some really nice bags, really beautiful, but they are not really thought for photography, so they are not as much protected as this. And one thing I like, you can remove this compartment here place it as you want, or remove it so you have more space, or you can really configure as you want. So for me, in this situation, this is ideal for a small camera. Normally when I travel, I bring with me a really big bag with everything I need for the trip, okay? But once in a destination, I don't want to carry everything on the street. So this is ideal to have this small bag in your suitcase. And when you get to the place, you just get this out of your suitcase and you place in there just the camera or the lens you're going to use. Sometimes you want to walk around with just one camera and an extra lens, but you don't know where to put it in your pocket. Well, you put it in this small bag, okay? So that's perfect. I know some people think, yeah, yes, but if you place this in your suitcase, you have less space for your clothes, all this. Well, nothing stops you to fit in there your socks, your toothbrush, or whatever you want. And once you get to the hotel, you get it out and then place the camera or the gear you need in there. So honestly, I think this is a great little bag for that, okay? Also, what I really love is the price, because sometimes we find small bags that are beautiful, but they're really expensive. Price is really steep, and you don't want to spend that kind of money on a bag you don't always use. Use it according to the situation. So I think this is a great option. So now I'm going to give you some technical information and my conclusion. So let's carry on. So the size, 29 centimeter high, 20 centimeter wide, and 13 centimeter thick at the maximum point, okay? So and the strap, you can adjust it from 84 to 136 centimeters. So this is perfect for any size like mine, okay? So this is for the technical side. Using it, well, actually we went to Taganana with Ingrid and we had to walk quite a bit at the drone in there. It was really practical. I felt really nice. I had my hands that were free to go around with the camera on my neck, so that was really, really practical. So I can say yes, it is nice to use it, and I think it's completely recommendable because yes, in many situations we just need a small bag. So if you feel this is your case, this is the kind of things you may need, I leave you on affiliated links in the description where you can buy it. I don't know when you will see the video, but if you buy before the 20th of March 2025 with the link, with the code, sorry, EricBag10, as I write here on the on screen, I also put in description, you will get a 10% discount. So yeah, use it and save some money. So that's it. Thank you so much, KF Concept, for sending me this bag. Thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here is a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget, I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There is a join button just below. No gear, nothing about reviews, just photography technique, tuition. So you will get access to exclusive videos so you can better your knowledge. Thank you so much. Also leave you affiliated links in the description. Don't forget, if you buy from Luminar Neo, the link is also there, and you use the code ERIC10, you get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So just use it and save some money. Thank you so much, that really helps me. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much, please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye!